Enjoy a serving of Outlive 100 as part of your morning wellness routine, or anytime throughout the day when you need a power shot of delicious and nutritious plant-based goodness. Outlive 100 is a premium superfoods and greens formula. Completely dissatisfied with the quality, taste, and texture of leading greens products, we set out to change the way people think about the category and wanted to develop a formula that not only tasted better than anything out there, but one loaded with organic ingredients and that delivers a powerful range of nutrients found in some of my favorite superfoods. Loaded with 26 organic fruits, vegetables, herbs, and phytonutrients, each serving of Outlive 100 provides a power shot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and adaptogens in 4 organic blends to help your health and wellness flourish. Each key ingredient is organic, vegan, gluten-free, and the formula contains only natural colors sourced from fruits and vegetables. No synthetic dyes. And the best part? Outlive 100 tastes incredible. Most greens products are formulated with low-quality ingredients, making them taste gritty, earthy, and generally unpleasant to drink. Now what's worse is that they're masked with sweeteners and colors to make them look and taste more appealing. And as our customers know, that just isn't the Kaged Muscle way. Outlive 100 mixes rich and smooth, contains only colors naturally sourced from fruits and veggies, and will first be available in delicious apple cinnamon. Make a serving of Outlive 100 a part of your morning wellness routine.